Hello guys, today we will explain how to unfollow everyone at once on Instagram app. So let's start the process. So as you see, I have 64 following list. So it's hard to unfollow everyone one by one. So I have a solution by which you can unfollow these peoples. So let's start it. Close your Instagram app and open your Google Play Store. From here, write the app name like I am writing followers and unfollowers. Tap on this one and download this app. So as you see, I already installed this application in my mobile phone. So I'm tapping on this open icon. Maybe before setting up these things, it will ask about your Instagram username and also about your password. So no need to worry, enter your Instagram username and also your password. So this application will access to your Instagram and will show you everything, like by tapping on these three lines which are at the left top. So as you see, here is my list. Don't follow me back, mutual, follow back, I follow. So tap on this list, I follow. So here are the list. As you see, here is my 64 list. So I can unfollow at once up to 50 people. So I think it will be more easy by unfollowing everyone one by one to directly unfollow 50 people by tapping on at once. So it's up to you. You want to unfollow from the bottom or from the top. So like I'm tapping on from the top and tapping on OK. So as you see, it start unfollowing everyone by itself. So you no need to unfollow everyone one by one. So as you see, now I unfollow everyone by just tapping on the one click. So I will show you it will work or not. I'm closing this app and again I'm opening my Instagram app. So as you see, now I have 0 following list. So by this way, you can unfollow 50 people by tapping on at once. And also remember one thing, maybe it will be danger for your account if you follow everyone at once in one day. So avoid this one. Do not unfollow more than 100 people in a day. So by this way you can unfollow everyone at once. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel.